Today, I'm going to share with you 10 genius home organization hacks that will transform your clutter into clarity. Stay tuned, because these tips are game changers for anyone looking to streamline their space with a sprinkle of style. Let's dive right into our first hack and turn that chaos into calm. Hack number 1, Chic Charging Stations. The Chic Charging Station emerges as a stylish solution to the all-too-common issue of scattered devices and unsightly cords. This hack is all about transforming the way you power up your devices into an elegant part of your decor. Picture this: a sleek, decorative box or an elegant tray thoughtfully placed on a console table in your living room or on your kitchen counter. This isn't just any home accessory. It's your new charging station, thoughtfully designed with built-in charging ports to neatly organize and charge your smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices. The beauty of this setup lies in its ability to conceal those tangled cables and gadgets out of sight, without sacrificing accessibility or style. Choosing the right charging station to match your home decor is key. Whether it's a minimalist design that speaks to a modern sensibility or a richly textured box that adds a touch of warmth to your space, the goal is to integrate your tech needs seamlessly into your living environment. Hack number 2, Decorative Baskets and Bins. This hack marries the need for practical storage solutions with the desire for a beautifully curated living space. By selecting baskets and bins that complement your existing decor, you transform open shelving from mere storage spaces into stylish vignettes that enhance the overall look and feel of your room. Envision your living room, where open shelving units hold more than just books and decorative items. Here, beautifully woven baskets sit, filled with plush blankets ready for cozy evenings. Chic fabric bins hold an array of children's toys, making cleanup a breeze and playtime even more accessible. Sleek metal bins on a bedroom shelf offer a discreet place for magazines and personal items, keeping your sanctuary clutter-free. Opt for materials and designs that speak to your style. Natural woven rattan for a bohemian touch, sleek metal for industrial vibes, or colorful fabric bins for a playful accent. Incorporating decorative baskets and bins into your home is a simple yet effective way to enhance both the organization and aesthetic appeal of your living environment. Hack number 3, Streamlined Pantry with Glass Jars. The Streamlined Pantry with Glass Jars hack transforms your pantry from a cluttered storage area into a cohesive and visually appealing display. Often the forgotten room or area, but why shouldn't it also look stylish? By storing your dry goods, spices, and snacks in uniform glass jars, you not only make everything easy to spot and grab, but also elevate the look of your pantry to that of a high-end kitchen showcase. The uniformity of glass jars brings an instant sense of order and elegance, turning what was once a hidden space into a feature you want to show off. From pasta and rice to nuts and cookies, everything finds its place, and the clear glass makes it easy to monitor your inventory at a glance. But the magic doesn't stop at just organizing. Pair these jars with attractive labeling solutions for an extra touch of sophistication. Hack number 4, Magnetic Knife Strip for Tools. Elevate your kitchen's functionality and style with a hack that goes beyond the ordinary: the Magnetic Knife Strip for Tools. This isn't just for chefs and culinary enthusiasts. It's a universal solution that declutters your space, saves precious drawer real estate, and puts your tools within arm's reach, all while adding a sleek design element to your kitchen. A magnetic strip is not just for your knives anymore. This versatile organizer holds your metal tools, from scissors and peelers to whisks and spatulas. Even your spice containers can find a new home here, if they're given metal lids. The result? Everything you need is visible and accessible, streamlining your cooking process and keeping your counters and drawers clutter-free. This hack can also be budget-friendly. I've seen them cheap as well on sites like Temu and Amazon. Incorporating a magnetic knife strip for tools into your kitchen is a simple, budget-friendly upgrade. It's about making your kitchen work smarter, not harder, and doing so with an eye for design. Hack number 5, Modular Drawer Inserts. Kick off your organization overhaul with Modular Drawer Inserts, the ultimate upgrade from repurposed shoeboxes. These ingenious organizers are all about customization and efficiency, turning your chaotic drawers into models of organization. Forget about the one-size-fits-all approach. Modular inserts let you tailor your storage space to exactly what you need. For your kitchen, create perfectly sized slots for utensils, ensuring spoons, forks, and knives each have their dedicated spot. In the office, segregate your supplies with ease, from pens to paper clips, all neatly organized and within reach. And for the beauty enthusiasts, imagine a cosmetics drawer where every lipstick, brush, and eyeshadow palette is neatly compartmentalized, making your morning routine smoother than ever. Modular drawer inserts aren't just practical, they're a simple yet impactful way to elevate your home's organization. Hack number 6, undershelf baskets. Transform overlooked spaces into storage havens with undershelf baskets. These ingenious baskets slide effortlessly onto existing shelves, instantly creating additional room for those bits and bobs that always seem to be in the way. No tools, no fuss, and absolutely no damage to your cabinetry or shelving. Picture your kitchen pantry, shelves packed with goods, yet somehow there's never enough space for dish towels, napkins, or those pesky bags of chips that always seem to sprawl. Now, imagine sliding a sleek basket under a shelf and voila, you've got a neatly organized spot that keeps those essentials within reach but out of sight. But why stop at the kitchen? Undershelf baskets are versatile. Slide them into your bathroom cabinets for extra toiletries, your home office shelves for supplies, or even your wardrobe for accessories like scarves and belts. These baskets are the epitome of out of sight, out of mind, keeping your items tidy and your spaces clutter-free. Hack number 7, cord management box. Step into the realm of sleek organization and say goodbye to the tangled mess of cables that's been haunting the corner of your room. The cord management box is not just a solution, it's a revolution in how we handle the inevitable jungle of cords that come with our tech-savvy lives. Power strips, chargers, and all those cables that seem to multiply overnight are now neatly concealed within a chic box that blends seamlessly with your decor. Not only does it keep cords out of sight, but it also prevents them from becoming a tangled nightmare, making it easier for you to access and manage your devices. Think of it as the little sister to the Chic Charging Station hack. The cord management box is more than just a practical solution. It's a design statement. Available in a variety of styles, from minimalist white to rich wood finishes, it enhances the overall aesthetic of your space while serving a critical organizational function. Hack number 8, vertical shelf dividers. Say goodbye to unruly stacks of sweaters, teetering towers of handbags, and jumbled linens. With vertical shelf dividers, every item has its place, stacks stay intact, and your space looks infinitely more polished. This hack will leave you with a closet or shelving unit where each sweater pile stands tall, undisturbed, and each handbag sits neatly in its own designated spot. Linens are folded with precision, easily accessible without disrupting the rest. This isn't just organization, it's a system that brings peace and order to your daily routine. Installing these dividers is straightforward, and many options require no tools at all, simply sliding onto existing shelves. Whether you opt for sleek metal, rustic wood, or clear acrylic, there's a style to match every decor, making this hack not only practical but also a stylish addition to your home. Hack number 9, over-the-door organizers with a twist. This hack invites you to think outside the shoebox, transforming a simple space-saving solution into a versatile storage powerhouse. By selecting an organizer that marries sleek design with functionality, you open up a world of possibilities for decluttering various items around your home, from accessories and beauty products to crafting supplies. In my experience, though, it is hard but not impossible to find an over-the-door organizer that you actually don't mind people seeing. You can really go wild with this hack. Smaller compartments become a haven for earrings, hair ties, and makeup items, ensuring they're always within reach, yet neatly out of sight. Larger pockets offer the perfect spot for scarves, belts, or even bottles of your favorite beauty products, making it easier than ever to grab what you need without rummaging through drawers. But it doesn't stop at personal items. This over-the-door solution is a game changer for craft enthusiasts and hobbyists. Yarns, brushes, paints, and other crafting essentials fit perfectly into the varied pockets. With careful selection, this organizer goes beyond its traditional role, becoming a versatile storage system that caters to a wide array of items, proving that even the most practical storage solutions can be integrated beautifully into your home's design. Hack number 10, command center creation, ending at the entranceway. Dive into the ultimate organization hack for any bustling household: the creation of a command center. This isn't just a spot to drop your keys and mail. It's the strategic heart of your home where elegance meets efficiency. Envision a sleek, minimalist bulletin board that captures the eye, a stylish mail sorter that eliminates clutter, and a decorative key holder that turns a mundane necessity into art. Together, they form a command center that not only keeps you organized, but does so with a flair that complements your home's decor. With careful selection of each component, your command center will not only be the brain of your home, but also a testament to your style, keeping you organized and informed in the most elegant way possible. And there you have it, 10 transformative organization hacks designed with you in mind. Remember, the key to a harmonious home isn't just about decluttering. It's about creating systems that work for you and spaces that inspire you every day. We hope these hacks inspire you to look at your home with fresh eyes and discover new ways to infuse elegance and order into your daily life. Don't forget to share your favorite hack in the comments below. Or let us know if you have any secret tips of your own. We'd love to hear from you.